You are looking at a 1960 Ford F-100 pickup. Regular cab, very rare conversion with a wraparound big window. These are very, very difficult to find. They generally stand for quite a bit higher. This one's been modified from a small window to a big window, wraparound. It's got newer interior, as you can see. It's got bucket seats, brand new leather, vinyl, and newer carpet. General original steering wheel with original dash, and a newer headliner on top. As you can see on this truck, the windows roll up and down very well. They're perfectly aligned. And the doors open and close perfectly as well. Engine is a 460 big block motor, very powerful, newer engine, newer restoration, newer battery, and newer OEM radiator. Engine sounds excellent. Truck all around is in very good condition. No cancer rust. As you can see, the body is pretty much lazy straight. Emblems are there. Tires are in excellent condition, have lots of tread still left on them. And the bed is RHINOLINED with a bed liner inside. It's also in excellent condition, all the corners. Slight dirt over there, but no rust, and in perfect condition. The seals, rubber seals, are still very supple, no major cracks.